Guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today I wanted to talk about the Codice Fiscale because I'm seeing with the comments on the channel here that there's a lot of misinformation about it and confusion. And I can see why, because I went on the consulate website and there was a page that had to do with citizens trying to get their Codice Fiscale. And it says, yeah, you need your carte d'identità, you need all of these things that a citizen or a resident would have. But you don't need that. That particular website page was just for citizens, and it took me a while to figure that out, so I can see why you might be confused. In any case, the Codice Fiscale is basically an Italian tax code number, and you need it for any significant purchase, things like furniture, you're buying a new stove or something like that. You know, little purchases like souvenirs and things, you really don't need it. But any sort of significant purchase, here, car, definitely a house, you need a Codice Fiscale. And you don't have to be a resident, you don't have to be a citizen, anything like that. Anybody can get one, and they're relatively easy to get. Now, normally with our clients, we would make an appointment down at the Agenzia delle Entrate, and we've done that. I was able to get an appointment for clients within 2 days in Bari. However, here in Belvedere Marittimo in Calabria, it's 2 to 3 weeks. So I have a link to a place where you can get one. You do have to pay for it. If you go to the Agenzia delle Entrate or your home consulate, you can get them for free. But, you know, I would rather pay the money and avoid all the hassle trying to make an appointment at a consulate, which after COVID, they just seem to have gone straight down the drain. I don't know what the deal is with the consulates, not having good experiences with those guys. In any case, this is a link to Nick Mehta's site. And during COVID, we had a lot of trouble with people trying to get Codice Fiscale. So they set up a special line where you can go there and you can get your Codice Fiscale. So there you go. That's your Codice Fiscale in Italy. What is it? Why you need it? And where to get it. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps you, and we'll see you soon.